Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You first confirm the meaning you want, necessity, exclusivity, or single option, because that decides grammar and tone. Once done, pick a simple sentence frame. Subject plus verb plus the only way plus infinitive, or use the only way to at clause start. Make sure to avoid extra modifiers that blur exclusivity. Now practice with one clear example. You say, "The only way to pass is to study daily." Repeat variations, aloud so muscle memory matches meaning. You move into context, consider formal versus casual registers and choose modifiers to match. For example, add adjectives, the only safe way, when safety matters, omit the enclipped speech for urgency. Once comfortable, practice sentence placement. Start with only way for dramatic lead or insert mid-sentence for subtlety. Make sure to test stress patterns when speaking. Stressing only changes focus, whereas stressing the verb changes intent. Keep practicing with different verbs and subjects. You wrap up by editing for clarity and accuracy. Read the sentence and ask whether it truly means no other option. If exceptions exist, add qualifiers like usually or in most cases so you don't overstate. Once done, practice conversational delivery to match register. If listeners misinterpret, rephrase to remove ambiguous reference. Place the only way next to the action it modifies. Tip: if confusion persists, insert a brief example to illustrate the exclusivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.